Guys, today we are going to learn how to privatize our number with MT on MTN. That is Luma's channel. Please do to subscribe to this channel. We want 1K this year, so we're gonna start. Many a time you call someone, your own number do go to the person so that the person may call you back. But for security reasons and other things, there is a way you can call someone where the person cannot see your your number. Then it becomes a no number or restricted number or private number. And we are going to start, but before that, let me demonstrate this one to you. I'm gonna call someone and you will see how it's going to be. Let me call this friend. Okay, let me call this my friend this thing. I'm calling. um there is it. Okay, you can see over here that my number is there and it's written incoming call. Incoming call. I'm going to deny the call. Okay. I didn't answer the call. You realize that my number was there. So we're going to change from how our number is going to display on someone's phone to a private number or unknown number or restricted number. The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to type 1333 then you call that number. It is a self-service number. When you call that number, they will tell you to follow a procedure. The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to type that one, then they will connect you. They will tell you to input your telephone number. Then you type in your telephone number. After that, they will ask you to type in your code that you want to use for that registration. Then you type in a 4-secret number. Make sure you remember that code that you're going to use. I am not doing it because I have already done that and I cannot do it again. So after you have successfully done that, then you go to your message. They will send you a message to tell you that you've done that. They will send a message that you've done that. Then when you are done with the calling and typing your telephone number over there and giving them your 4-digit password, you come back to the message. Then you go to a new compose message. The recipient number is going to be 1333. Then you come over here where the test area is. You spell with cap CLIL. Sorry, it has to be in capitals. CLRI. Then you leave a space. Then you move it from the capital, the caps lock. Then you type in activate. Then you leave a space. After leaving the space, then you type in the 4-digit password you typed. Assuming I use 1234 as my password, I will send it to the number over there. Then it will go. After then I click on send, then the message goes to them. When I'm done with the successful registration like this, I'll get a message like this. Your request is being processed. You would get an SMS notification when it is complete. Within 1 minute, they will tell you a message back telling you that you have successfully activated the Clear so-called service. You can now choose to block other people from viewing your number. MTN give you the best value for your money. But don't forget that they will deduct 2 cedis every month. 2 cedis every month. So I did it on March and they deducted 2 cedis from it. When you are done with that aspect, you come to your dials like this. Then you click on and you look at for this option at the top of my search box. I click there, then settings will come. I click on settings. It opens with a different interface or a different page. I look for calling account. I'm using Vodafone and MTN, but the one I did was MTN. Then I will select MTN and it will come like this. Then I'll go to additional settings. I click on additional settings and wait for it to come. Now we have caller ID, call waiting. Which of them I'm going to select? I'm going to select the caller ID. That is where I want it to be. You see over here, I have the network default, I have hide number, and I have show number. Because I don't want people to see my number, I will select hide number. I will click on the hide number for it to configure. Then I come back and go back to the dial speed. Then I'll look for another pair and I'll look for my find to call. I'll click on it and call person. I'm calling. Now let's see if it is true. Come in. Good. Now let's see. Over here you can see that the number over there is private number I have called. So now it has successfully been configured to a private number. So that is how we do it. Privatizing your MTN number. Please do what to subscribe. There is Luma's channel. I have the best for you. IT has come to stay. Please subscribe and like, comment are also welcome. Thank you.